Today, we reviewed the best 5 shoe rack that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Seville Classics 3-tiered shoe rack. Featuring a stackable design, the Seville Classics 3-tiered shoe rack will keep your shoes totally organized. This elegant 3-tiered shoe rack is ideal for men, women, or kids. The durable powder-coated steel frame has a silver finish that provides corrosion resistance in humid environments.
Number 2.
Songmike's 3-tier shoe rack. With a stylish modern design and ample storage space, the Songmike's shoe rack will keep your shoes neat and tidy anywhere around your home. The heavy-duty shoe rack has a durable premium tubular metal frame. Its deep 3-tiered shelves can hold up to 12 pairs of women's shoes and 9 pairs of men's shoes.
Number 3.
Songmike's 10-tiered cabinet organizer. If you are a fashionista and shoe enthusiast, the Songmic 10-tiered storage cabinet is the perfect place to store your fabulous footwear collection. The sturdy frame is constructed from strong non-woven fabric, durable steel tubes, and polypropylene plastic connectors.
Number 4.
Whitmore 10-tiered rolling shoe tower rack. This vertical shoe rack offers you efficient space-saving storage possibilities anywhere around your home. The heavy-duty sturdy metal frame has a stylish chrome finish that will match any type of decor.
Number 5.
eHome Products 2-tiered shoe rack storage hallway bench. Stylish and practical, the eHome Products shoe rack storage hallway bench is a fantastic choice for your home. This beautiful bench will make an elegant addition to any room. It offers you the ultimate in comfort and shoe storage functionality.